Do I speak?
क्या मैं जानता हूँ?
Do I know?
क्या मैं बोलता हूँ?
Do I speak?
क्या मैं पढ़ाता हूँ?
Do I teach?
क्या हम लोग पढ़ते हैं?
Do we study?
क्या हम लोग समझते हैं?
Do we do we
You don't go to bar.
I understand English.
Yes. No, I don't understand English.
She understands English.
He doesn't understand English.
He understands
He
English.
doesn't understand English.
He speaks English.
He doesn't
study English?
क्या वह इंग्लिश पढ़ती है?
Does she study English?
क्या वह इंग्लिश बोलती है?
Does she speaks English?
Can. He will. He can. He will. We will speak English. We can speak English. We have to speak English. We have to speak English. Yes. We have to speak English. We can speak English. We will speak English. Great evening. Great evening. Great morning, my dear friends. How is your life? I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. My dear friends, today we are going to practice English and we are going to implement ourselves. And definitely today my students are going to practice and definitely they will tell themselves very good and very good way. And I hope they have improved themselves and they have practiced a lot at home. And today they will tell fluent. And I know very well they are learning right now. They are the basic situation. They are the in basic level. And now they are going to practice. One thing I would like to say you first that you should to know about me that who am I and why am I making videos and why am I teaching to the students. This is something to do. Basically, I'm a teacher in this coaching in future coaching center. I'm teaching the student as an English trainer and here I teach spoken English and as well as I am preparing for the public speaking to become motivational speaker, life coach. And this time, not even I'm teaching the English, I am teaching here to how to manage the life and how to grow yourself. So this is why I'm here. And right now I have seen a lot of people who are doing very good in their life, who want to become great person, who want to grow themselves. But right now they have no any kind of facilities, tools to improve themselves, to grow themselves. So here I'm getting help to them and right now I'm going to ask at first we are here to practice so I will not give the speech. I will ask to the student that what are they learning and what have they learned and what are they doing and how are they learning. So this is very important. So let's talk first. Great evening.
Good evening, sir.
How is your life?
It's getting better, fantastic.
I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So now I would like to know about your introduction. So please tell me your introduction.
This is Rupal Kumari. I am a student. I study in 7th class. I study in MS Bell Bokaro number 9. I live at Club Kerala Chapla Mode, but I belong to Bayang. My favorite color red and black. My favorite sir Amit. My father name is Govind Nayak. My mother's name is Kavita Devi. My father professor is a Mistri. My mother professor is a homemaker. I have got 8 members in my family. I have got 4 siblings in my family.
Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. After some time, I will ask you again your daily routine. Okay. So will you be remember? Okay. So please stand up. Great evening.
Good evening, sir.
How is your life?
It's getting the right fantastic.
Yes, I hope also your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I would like to know about your introduction. Please tell me your introduction.
This is Janandani Kumari. I am a student. I study in 7th class. I study in Rajkirit Madhvidyalaya Bokaro number 9. I live in Kedala Chapra Mode. My father name is Dheeraj Nayak. My mother name is Pooja Devi. I want to become engineer. My hobbies dance, play, write. My favorite teacher in Bhutan sir. My favorite color in red, yellow, orange. My family member 6, siblings 3.
Okay, thank you so much. Sit down, please. I will ask you later your daily routine. Okay. Great evening.
Great evening, sir.
How is your life?
It's getting day by day fantastic.
I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I would like to know about your introduction. Please tell me your introduction.
Great evening, my dear friends. This is Bhavna Kumari. I am a student. I study in class 6th. My school name is Holy Trust School. I live at Kerala Chopra Mall. My favorite fruit is orange. My favorite vegetable is cauliflower. My mother, my mother name is Veena Devi. My father's name is Dashat Kumar. I have got I have got 10 members in my family and 2 siblings in my family.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Let him.
Sir,
How is your life?
day by day fantastic.
I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I would like to know about your introduction. So please introduce yourself.
Great evening, my dear friends. This is Sonam Kumari. I am a student. I study in 6th. My school name is Orient National School. I live at Kerala Chopra More. My hobbies is dancing, playing, study, and reading. My father name is Arun Prasad. My mother name is Soni Devi. My father profession is shopkeeper. My mother profession is homemaker. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Now tell me, how many have you got member in your family?
I have got 14 member.
How many have you got siblings?
I have got 6 siblings.
What do you want to become?
I want to become is a teacher. Okay. Sir. This is Shivam Kumar. I am student. I am studying class 8. I study in Rajkut Madhya Best number 9. I live Kerala Chopra. My father name is Bhola Prasad. My mother name is Santoshi Devi. My father profession is driver. My mother profession is homemaker. My family member 6. My family is 4. My favorite young Bullu. My hobbies play cricket, study, write. Thank you.
Thank you so much. One question I would like to ask you: how many have you got member in your family?
My family member 6.
How many have you got siblings in your family?
My family is 4.
What do you want to become?
I want to become cricketer.
Together. Thank you so much. So please stand up. Great evening.
Good evening, sir.
How is your life?
It's getting fantastic.
I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I would like to know about your introduction. Please introduce yourself.
Great evening, my dear friends. This is Prince Kumar. I am a student and I study in class 9 in Bongara School. And I live at Kerala Chopra Mall. I live at Kerala Chopra Mall. My father's name is Sakrudan Lal. My mother's name is Sobha Devi. My father's profession is shopkeeper. My mother's profession is homemaker. I have got I have got 3 siblings in my family. I have got 6 members in my family, and I want to become IS officer. Thank you.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. So please. Great evening.
Good evening, sir.
How is your life?
Getting day by day fantastic.
Okay, I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I would like to know about your introduction. So please give me your introduction.
This is Ankit Kumar. I read in class 10, and my father's name is Sanjay Rasi, and my mother's name is Rakhi Devi.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Please stand up. Great evening.
Great evening, sir.
How is your life?
It's getting day by day fantastic.
I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I would like to know about your introduction. So please tell me your introduction.
Great evening, my dear friends. How is going your life? I hope your life it's getting divided fantastic. This is Muskan Kumari. I am a student. I study in 7th class. I study in MST Bukaro number 9. I live at Kerala Chopra Mode, but I belong to Ranchi. My father's name is Mr. Madan Naik. My mother's name is Soni Devi. My father's profession is a Tata employee. My mother's profession is a homemaker. I have got 6 member in my family. I have got 4th sibling in my family.
Thank you so much. That's amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please stand up. Great evening.
Great evening, sir.
How is your life?
Getting divided fantastic.
Okay, I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I would like to know about your introduction. Please tell your introduction, please.
This is Poonam Kumari. I study. This is Poonam Kumari. I am a student. I study in class 8. I study Rajkrit Madhya West Bukaro number 9. I live at Kerala Chapramod, but I belong to Bayang. This is my father's name Govind Nayak. This is my mother's name Savita Devi. My father's professor is Mistri. My mother's professor is homemaker. I have got a mem.
Okay, what do you want to become?
I want to dogs.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So please stand up. Great evening.
Great evening, sir.
How is your life?
It's getting the weather fantastic.
I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. So I would like to know about your introduction. So please give your introduction.
Great evening, my dear friends. How is going your life? I hope your life is getting day by day fantastic. This is Sonali Kumari. I am student. I study in 6th class and my school name is Holy Krishna School. I live at Kerala Chuprabamod, but I belong to Hazaribagh. My father name is Mr. Mahesh Prasad. My mother name is Mrs. Khushbu Devi. My father profession is shopkeeper and my mother profession is homemaker. And I have got eight members in my family and four members in my family. I want to become a district collector.
That's amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So right now again I would like to ask you, how is your life?
It's getting day by day fantastic.
Really?
Yes.
झूठ तो नहीं बोल रहे हो? Give your introduction with energy.
Great evening, my dear friends. This is Sonakshi Kumari. I am a student. I study in class 7. My school name is Holy Cross School. I live at Kedar Subramur, but I belong to Uttar Pradesh. I want to become district collector. My father's name is Bholanand Kumar. My mother's name is Seema Devi. My father profession is businessman. My mother profession is homemaker. Thank you.
You tell your team, please.
I wake up in the morning. I go to washroom. I soap the room. I brush my teeth. I go to school. I play. I study. I go to my. I wake up in the morning. I go to washroom. I soap the room. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I go to school. I eat food. I learn. I write. I play. I study. I help. I give. I watch TV. I study. I go to. I go to coaching. I come to coaching. Now I am going to tell my daily routine. First I wake up in the morning, then I go to washroom and fresh up and brush my teeth. After that I bath and get ready for the school. Then I drink milk and wait for bus. Then bus come and I sit on the bus. Then I go to school. When I was going to school that time I saw many houses, trees, shops, villages, etc. Then I reach school and walk some distance and go to classroom kept and kept the bag on the desk and come out from the classroom. Then I meet my friends and talk with her. After that, we go to our classroom and study. Then bell ring and we came out and we take lunch. After that, have then we go to our classroom. After that, we study. Then I drink water. I sleep the room. I go to washroom. I brush my teeth. I bath. I eat food. I dress. I go to school. I come to home. I study. I play. I write.
I hope life. I hope your life is getting there fantastic. And now I am telling you about my daily routine. First, I wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock. Then I get up my brother and drink water. After that, we go to shop and meet from friends. Then we take we take bat ball and wicket and go to playground with my friends. After that, we play cricket sometimes and run the phone. Then we come to home and fresh. After coming home, we brush my teeth and take bath and wear dress. Then I get ready for school and eat breakfast. After that, I go to the near of van and sit on the van. After half hour, we arrive at school and pray to God. Then I entry in my classroom and make the attendance. After making attendance, I study English, math, and science and some subjects. Then I take lunch and break. In break, we play games like cricket, football, and some games. After playing, we come to class and pack the bag. Then we come to the van and coming and come to home. After coming home, I change my dress and take notebooks for going coaching and I get ready for coaching and come to coaching and I meet from Amritsar and friends and study. Then I went to the then I go to the computer lab and study English. After that, I go to home and took rest sometimes and run the phone. Then I watch TV and wrote the daily routine, write the daily routine and sleep.
Like, I hope it's getting the weather fantastic. I wake up in the morning, I go to washroom, then I brush my teeth, then I bath, I then I eat breakfast, then I came to ground, I play cricket, then I drink water, then I came to home, I go to school, I study English, I study math, then I write English, then I came to lunch, I play cricket, then I talk, then I, I come to classroom, then I study math, then I came to home, then I study math, I watch TV, then I speak English, then I came to coaching, I study English, then I speak English, then I study math, then I write math, then. First, I wake up in the morning. After that, I sweep my room and to fresh and I fresh and ready for to school and I eat food and then I come my bus stop and bus is come and I sit on the bus and we all go to school and I when I go to school I see trees plants, vehicles, houses, and we all pray to God, and I and my friends and we go classes and attend classes, and I studied so many subjects, and our departure bell is ring, and I and my friends is take bag and get ready for the last prayer, and we all to prayer last prayer, and we go to another room and sit on the another room, and after some time our bus is come, and I sit on the bus and come back my home, and I fresh up and eat lunch, and come shop and sell product, and again I go home and takes my books copies, and come future coaching center. When I come coaching, I see vehicles, houses, shops, and man's, women's, etc. And I come coaching, and I meet Amit sir, and we study English and we speak English, and also study maths, and our departure bell is ring, and we go our home, and again I study and revision study, revision study, and after some time I revision study. After some time I then I watch TV and eat food and go to sleep. Thank you. I woke up in the morning. I go to washroom. I soak the room. I brush my teeth. I study. I sit. I play in the morning. I go to washroom. I sweep the room. I sweep the room. I brush my teeth. I eat food. I drink water. I watch TV. I go to school. I come to home. I come to home. I bath and dress. Bath and dress. I come to coaching. I I come to coaching. I study. I sit. I understand. I speak. Now I am going to tell my daily routine. First, I wake up in the morning. Then I go to washroom and fresh up and brush my teeth. Then I bath and wash and worship to God. After that, I get ready for school and drink milk and wait for bus. Then a bus come, and I sit on the bus, and I go to school. When I am going to school, that time I see many trees, houses, shops, roads, etc. Then I reach school and go to a classroom and keep the bag in the desk, and come out from the classroom and meet my friends and talk with my friends. After that, we go to our classroom and studied. Then the then the lunch bell ring, and we come out from the classroom and go to washroom and and took and take lunch. Then after again we wash our hands and get line up. After that, our miss come and take we all, and we go to our classroom and studied. Then the short break will bell ring, and we came out from the classroom. We came out from the, come out from the classroom, and play lock and key. After that, we get line up and mistake we all, and go to our classroom and study. Then departure bell ring, and we go to 8B to sit after the departure. Then our bus come, and we all walk some distance and sit on the bus. Then I come to home and fresh up and take lunch and see TV. After that, I take a nap and arrange my tuition bag and come to coaching. When I was coming to coaching that time, I see many trees, houses, leaves, flowers, etc. Then I take permission to Amit sir and come to coaching and studied and operate computer. After that, I go back to home and kept bag on the table. Then I studied and then I studied and spent time with my family. Then I take dinner and see TV. Then I sleep.
Okay, my dear friends, right now my student have practiced English, and you have seen that they were practicing their English, and I hope you have understood that this kind of practice, if you will do, if you will speak always, so definitely you can speak fluent English. And right now they are new student, they are learning English. I think they have been learning English for 2 months, 1 month, as like that. Yes. And now I'm going to ask to them the question and they will give the answer. Okay, are you ready? Yes, no? English speaking is the most important. आप जो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाई कर रहे हो इंग्लिश के अलावा जो बाकी सब्जेक्ट आप पढ़ाई करते हो, मैं ये लिख के दे सकता हूँ कि एक दिन वो या तो वो पोपो वाला के पास चला जाएगा वो किताब, या तो अलमीरा के पास चला जाएगा, या फिर स्कूल पे जमा हो जाएगा, या फिर आपके कोई दोस्त के पास चला जाएगा, लेकिन आपके पास परमानेंटली नहीं रहेगा. But if you learn English, so English will stay with you permanently. Yes, no? Are you ready? Yes, no? So first I will ask you Hindi, you will tell English. Okay? Complete. मैं नहाता हूँ.
I bath.
मैं सोता हूँ.
I sleep.
मैं खाना खाता हूँ.
I eat food.
मैं रोता हूँ.
I weep.
मैं झाड़ू लगाता हूँ.
I sit down.
मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ.
I go to school.
मैं सुबह उठता हूँ.
I wake up in the morning.
वे लोग नाचते हैं. मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं खेलता हूँ.
I play.
वे लोग खेलते हैं.
They play.
वे लोग नाचते हैं.
They dance.
वे लोग सोते हैं.
They sleep.
वह रोती है.
She cries.
वह चिल्लाती है.
She weeps. She cries.
वह नाचती है.
She dance.
वह खेलता है.
He plays.
वह सुनती है.
She hears.
हम लोग नाचते हैं.
We dance.
हम लोग दौड़ते हैं.
We run.
हम लोग पहनते हैं.
We wear.
क्या हम लोग पहनते हैं?
Do we wear?
क्या हम लोग जानते हैं?
Do we know?
क्या वह बोलती है?
Does she speak?
क्या वह जानती है?
Does she know?
क्या वह इंग्लिश बोलती है?
Does she speak English?
क्या वह रोती है?
Does she weep?
क्या वह सोचती है?
Does she think?
क्या मैं बोलता हूँ?
Do I speak?
क्या मैं जानता हूँ?
Do I know?
क्या मैं बोलता हूँ?
Do I speak?
क्या मैं पढ़ाता हूँ?
Do I teach?
क्या हम लोग पढ़ते हैं?
Do we study?
क्या हम लोग समझते हैं?
Do we understand?
क्या हम लोग बोलते हैं?
Do we speak?
क्या वे लोग स्कूल जाते हैं?
Do they go to school?
क्या वे लोग समझते हैं?
Do they understand?
क्या वह पानी पीती है?
Do they drink? Does she drink water?
Okay, now you will tell the negative. Okay, I speak.
I do not speak.
I dance.
I do not dance.
I sleep.
I do not sleep.
We go.
We do not go.
We dance.
We do not dance.
We sleep.
We do not sleep.
Or we jump.
We do not jump.
Okay, she dances.
She do not dances. She does not dance.
She sleeps.
She does not sleep.
She cries.
She does not cry.
She writes.
She does not write.
She speaks.
She does not speak.
Okay, now interrogative. I speak.
Do I speak?
I dance.
Do I dance?
I sleep.
Do I sleep?
I wake up.
Do I wake up?
She goes.
Does she go?
She sleeps.
Does she sleep?
We dance.
Does we dance?
We jump.
Does the do we jump?
Okay, nice, great. Thank you. तो हम लोग पढ़ते हैं.
We study.
हम लोग नाचते हैं.
We dance.
हम लोग पढ़ते हैं.
We study.
हम लोग बोलते हैं.
We speak.
हम लोग सोचते हैं.
We understand.
हम लोग समझते हैं.
We learn.
हम लोग सोचते हैं.
We think.
हम लोग समझते हैं.
We think. Understand.
वह देखती है.
She watch.
वह बोलती है.
वह speaks.
वह समझती है.
She understand.
वह देखती है.
She watches.
वह लिखती है.
She writes.
वह बैठती है.
She sits.
थैंक यू. मैं पढ़ता हूँ.
I study.
मैं खेलता हूँ.
I play.
मैं सोचता हूँ.
I think.
मैं पढ़ता हूँ.
I study.
मैं लिखता हूँ.
I write.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I talk. I speak.
मैं पढ़ता हूँ.
I study.
मैं दौड़ता हूँ.
I run.
मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ.
I play cricket.
मैं कॉलेज जाता हूँ.
I came to college. I go to college.
मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ.
I go to school.
मैं कोचिंग जाता हूँ.
I go to coaching.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ.
I speak English.
वह वीडियो बनाता है.
He
वह बोलती है.
she speaks. We speak.
हम लोग बैठते हैं.
We sit.
वह खेलती है.
She play cricket. She plays.
वह इंग्लिश बोलती है.
She speak English. She speaks English.
ओके मैं अफर्मेटिव बोलता हूँ. आप नेगेटिव बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है. आई स्पीक इंग्लिश.
No, I not speak English.
आई गो टू मार्केट.
No, I go to market.
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. मैं बोलता हूँ.
I speak.
मैं समझता हूँ.
I understand.
मैं देखता हूँ.
I see.
हम लोग पढ़ते हैं.
We study.
वह पढ़ती है.
वह पढ़ती. She study.
वह खेलती है.
He plays.
वह नाचती है.
She dances.
वह बोलता है.
He speaks.
वह पानी पीता है.
He drinks.
वे लोग घर जाते हैं.
Well, they go to home.
वे लोग स्कूल जाते हैं.
They go to school.
वे लोग गाड़ी चलाते हैं.
They drive car.
हम लोग इंग्लिश सीखते हैं.
We learn English.
हम लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं.
We speak English.
क्या हम लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं?
तो हम लोग do we speak English?
क्या वे लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं?
Do they speak English?
क्या वह इंग्लिश सीखती है?
Does he learn English?
क्या वह इंग्लिश बोलती है?
Does she learn English?
क्या वह गाड़ी चलाती है?
Does she drive car?
क्या वह अंग्रेजी सीखती है?
Does she learn English?
Affirmative and you will give the negative. Okay. I speak.
I don't speak.
We speak.
We don't speak.
They go to school.
They don't go to school.
They understand English.
They don't understand English.
They work at home.
They don't work at home.
We speak English.
We don't speak English.
We speak Angrezi.
We don't speak English.
We speak Hindi.
We don't speak Hindi.
We speak Malayalam.
We don't speak Malayalam.
We come to coaching school.
We don't come to coaching school.
We go to Holy Cross.
We don't go to Holy.
We go to park.
We don't go to park.
They go to dance.
They don't go to dance.
They go to library.
They don't go to library.
You go to.
You don't go. You don't go to park.
Okay. I understand English.
Yes. No, I don't understand English.
She understands English.
She doesn't understand English.
He understands
He
English.
doesn't understand English.
He speaks English.
He doesn't speak English.
Okay, interrogative. He speaks English.
Does he speak English?
He learns English.
Does he learn English?
She goes to market.
Does he go to market?
He speaks English.
Does he speak English?
We understand English.
Do we understand English?
We go to market.
Do we go to market?
Good, thank you. हम लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं।
We speak English.
हम लोग इंग्लिश समझते हैं।
We understand English.
हम लोग घर जाते हैं।
We go to home.
हम लोग इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं।
We study English.
वह इंग्लिश समझती है। आई डांस।
No, I do not dance.
आई प्ले।
No, I do not play.
आई गो।
No, I don't know go.
आई स्टडी।
No, I don't study.
थैंक यू। मैं पढ़ता हूँ।
I study.
मैं लिखता हूँ।
I write.
मैं बोलता हूँ।
I speak.
मैं जानता हूँ।
I know.
मैं समझता हूँ।
I understand.
वह बोलती है।
Yes, she speaks.
वह जानती है।
She knows.
वह खेलती है।
She plays.
वह देखती है।
She watch.
वह मुस्कुराती है।
She laughs.
वह नाचती है।
She dance.
वह भागती है।
She run away.
वह गप करती है।
She talks. Gossips. She gossips.
हम लोग पानी पीते हैं।
We drink water.
हम लोग समझते हैं।
We understand.
क्या हम लोग पढ़ते हैं? क्या हम लोग पढ़ते हैं?
Do we study?
क्या हम लोग समझते हैं?
Do we understand?
क्या हम लोग बोलते हैं?
Do we speak?
क्या हम लोग इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं?
Do we study English?
क्या वह इंग्लिश पढ़ती है?
Does she study English?
क्या वह इंग्लिश बोलती है?
Does she speaks English? Speak English?
आप अफर्मेटिव में बोलूंगा, फिर नेगेटिव में बोलना है, ठीक है? क्या बोलूंगा? आई स्पीक इंग्लिश।
I don't speak English.
आई गो टू मार्केट।
I don't go to market. I don't go to market.
आई गो टू स्कूल।
I don't go to school.
आई कम टू कोचिंग।
I don't come to coaching.
आई स्पीक इंग्लिश।
I don't speak English.
आई डांस।
I don't dance.
इंट्रोगेटिव। आई डांस।
Do I dance?
आई स्लीप।
Do I sleep?
आई टीच।
Do I teach?
आई वेक अप।
Do I wake up?
आई रन।
Do I run?
शी रन्स।
Does she run?
शी स्पीक्स।
Does she speak?
शी वेक्स अप।
Does she wake up?
शी ड्रिंक्स वाटर।
Does she drink water?
That's okay. Wonderful. Thank you. Okay, my dear friends, and my students have practiced, and whatever they have spoken, they have practiced, and definitely I will tell to them that what they have made mistake, what they have got mistake, and definitely they will improve themselves. And my dear friends, one thing: if you want to speak fluent English, there is no option to implementing. If you want to speak English fluently, so you have to speak every day. And always I make video and I talk in English always. One day he was asking that, sir, English is not our language. Why you are teaching us English? Okay. पता है अंग्रेज भारत को छोड़ के चले गए, यस, लेकिन अंग्रेजों ने दो चीज छोड़ के गए, दो बहुत बड़ी चीज छोड़ के गए। पहला चीज ट्रेन, रेल। अगर आपको अंग्रेज का कोई चीज सबसे पहले बाहर फेंकना होगा तो वो ट्रेन को फेंको, क्योंकि अगर आप अंग्रेजों के सामान से नफरत करते हो तो सबसे पहला तो ट्रेन को ही बाहर भगाना पड़ेगा। तो ट्रेन को अगर आपने बाहर भगा दिया तो इंडिया का इकोनॉमिक्स पूरा डाउन हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड में नंबर 1 जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वो रेलवे का है। किसका है? विश्व का जो सबसे नंबर 1 प्लेटफॉर्म जो है वो रेलवे का है, और दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा इंप्लॉय देने वाला भी रेलवे ही है। सबसे ज्यादा इंप्लॉय सिर्फ रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करते हैं, रेलवे सेक्टर पे काम करते हैं, उससे ज्यादा कहीं भी नहीं है। तो अगर अंग्रेज से नफरत करते तो पहले ट्रेन भगाओ, और ट्रेन को भगा दी तो पूरा इंसान बेरोजगार हो जाएगा। समझ में आ रहा है? और दूसरा चीज अंग्रेजों ने दिया इंग्लिश, ठीक है, लेकिन पता है क्या हुआ? अंग्रेज ने तो इंग्लिश दिया, बट पता है हम लोगों का कॉन्फिडेंट और एटीट्यूड को डाउन करके चले गए। एटीट्यूड को, कि आपको किसी को गुलाम बनाना है तो सबसे पहले उसका कॉन्फिडेंट को लो करो, आप उसको गुलाम बना सकते हैं। अंग्रेजों ने हमारा कॉन्फिडेंट को लो किया, एटीट्यूड को लो किया, तभी तो वो 200 साल तक राज किए। नहीं तो इतनी पावर किसके पास है कि भाई 200 साल तक, क्या मैं आपके घर में 200 साल तक राज कर पाऊंगा? नहीं भैया, किसी के पास, लेकिन अंग्रेज ने भारत को राज किया ना, तो क्योंकि उन्होंने भारत का परसेप्शन को ही कम किया था ना, कुछ सालों के बाद कुछ लोगों का परसेप्शन टूटा। कुछ लोग ने अपने आप को कहना शुरू कर दिए, आई एम चैंपियन, आई एम ग्रेट, कहते ना, बोलते ना हम लोग बोलते हैं, अंग्रेजों ने क्या सिखा के गए हम लोग इंग्लिश में, कोई भी जब भी पूछेगा हाउ आर यू तो आपको बोलना आई एम फाइन, क्या बोलना है? जब भी कोई पूछेगा हाउ आर यू तो आपको बोलना आई एम फाइन। और वही वाला अंग्रेज को पूछो ना हाउ आर यू, कभी नहीं बोलेगा आई एम फाइन, तो बोलेगा आई एम ग्रेट, आई एम अमेजिंग, आई एम फैंटास्टिक, इट्स गेटिंग डे बाय डे फैंटास्टिक। वो आई एम फाइन के अलावा बाकी सब बोलेगा, आई एम फाइन नहीं बोलेगा। लेकिन हम लोग को क्या सिखा के गया है, जब भी कोई बोलेगा हाउ आर यू तो आपको बोलना आई एम फाइन। कुछ लोगों ने सोचा यार ये तो गलत बात है, दिस इज नॉट गुड वे, वी हैव टू ब्रेक इट, हम लोग इसको तोड़ना पड़ेगा। तभी स्वयं को कहने लगा आई एम चैंपियन, आई कैन डू एवरीथिंग, आई कैन किल एवरीवन। एंड ऐसा बोलते बोलते जन्म हुआ अंग्रेजों को। तब भगत सिंह का जन्म होता है, सुभाष चंद्र बोस का जन्म होता है, वो खुद को कहते हैं आई एम चैंपियन, आई एम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, आई एम द ग्रेट। यस, सुन रहा है? सो नेवर हेट अंग्रेज, ओके, इंग्लिश नेवर हेट, सुन रहा है? इंग्लिश को हेट मत कीजिएगा। देखो सब तो इंग्लिश नहीं सीख पाएंगे, मुझे मालूम है, कुछ लोग सीख जाएंगे और इंग्लिश आपको बहुत बड़ी हेल्प करेंगी। आज काफी अच्छा मेरा ग्रोथ हो रहा है। मुझे मालूम है जून के महीने में मेरा थोड़ा सा नुकसान हो गया, कुछ घटना घटा मेरे लाइफ से, ठीक है, लेकिन जैसे जुलाई पे इंटर हुआ लाइफ सच में चेंज हो रहा है मेरा, जुलाई के अंदर में अच्छा हो रहा है। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि कुछ चीज पाने के लिए कुछ चीज खोना भी पड़ता है, तो जून के अंदर में कुछ चीज मैंने खोया, पर जुलाई के अंदर फिर से मैंने अचीव किया और लाइफ मैनेज हो रहा है धीरे धीरे और रास्ते पे आ रही है। सो हाउ इज योर लाइफ? हाउ इज गोइंग योर लाइफ? कैन यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? कैन यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? विल यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? Will you speak English? Are you speaking English? Are you speaking English? Yes, my dear friend, you are speaking English. I know. हर जगह इंग्लिश बोलो, इंग्लिश बात करो, इंग्लिश सीखनी है तो, नहीं तो कहते हैं ना अमित सर की तरह लाखों लोग आ जाएंगे और आप बोलेंगे मेरे बाप ने भी नहीं सिखा पाए तो आप कौन है मेरे को सिखाने वाले, ठीक है? तो मैं नहीं सिखा पाऊंगा पर कोई नहीं सिखा पाएगा, ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? जब तक आप अपने दिमाग में ये नहीं डालोगे कि अमित सर से मैं सीख पाऊंगा, अगर आपने ये सोचा कि अमित सर सिखा रहे और मैं सीख भी जाऊंगी अमित सर से, तो आप सीख जाओगे। लेकिन आप बोलोगे ना अमित सर तो हमें सिखा ही नहीं सकते, अमित सर का एक भी बात मेरे भेजे में घुसता ही नहीं है, अमित सर जो बात करते हैं ना वो मेरे माइंड के ऊपर ऊपर जाता है, तो मेरे से आप नहीं सीख पाओगे, ठीक है? Are you getting no? So this is all about today, and I hope you have enjoyed a lot, and definitely you are learning English. So thank you so much, my dear friend. Great. Have a great. Bye bye.